Look at these two men. Both are 6 feet tall and weigh exactly 185 pounds. The guy on the left looks lean and muscular. The guy on the right? He looks soft, puffy, and out of shape. We call this skinny fat. Impossible but true. They have the same body weight. This is the hormonal trap most men fall into, and today, I'm showing you the way out. In the next 9 minutes, you're going to learn 3 critical things. First, how to diagnose your exact hormonal problem, your cortisol to testosterone ratio from just for common symptoms. Second, I'll show you exactly why your past attempts at dieting and working out have failed, using real data. And third, I'll reveal the precise 3-step sequence to fix your hormones so you can finally build the physique you deserve. This isn't just theory, it's a proven protocol. To show you how this works, let's look at a real client, Mark. When Mark came to us, he was the classic skinny fat case. He weighed 185 pounds but had a body fat percentage of 25%. His DEXA scan, the gold standard for body composition, confirmed it. But the real story was in his blood work. His cortisol levels were sky high, and his free testosterone was in the gutter. He was living proof of the hormonal trap. So what is this hormonal trap? It's all about your cortisol to testosterone ratio. In healthy, lean men, this ratio is low. But in skinny fat men like Mark, research shows it can be up to 3 times higher. Here's what's happening inside your body. High cortisol, your body's stress hormone, is catabolic. This means it actively breaks down your hard-earned muscle tissue for energy. Think of it like a thief stealing bricks from your house. Simultaneously, it signals your body to store fat, especially around your belly, love handles, and even your chest, leading to that puffy look. It's a double whammy, losing muscle and gaining fat at the same time. While cortisol is wrecking your body, low testosterone is sabotaging your efforts to fix it. Testosterone is the primary anabolic hormone in men. It's responsible for building and maintaining muscle mass. When it's low, your ability to build muscle is severely crippled. You could be lifting weights perfectly, but without enough testosterone, your body simply can't synthesize new muscle protein effectively. So you're stuck. Cortisol is actively tearing you down, and low testosterone is preventing you from building back up. This is the vicious cycle that keeps you skinny fat no matter how hard you try. It's not your fault. It's your physiology working against you. You feel tired, you have low libido, you lack motivation, and you see no results in the mirror. These aren't just feelings, they're direct symptoms of this hormonal imbalance. A high cortisol and low testosterone create a perfect storm, making it physically impossible to improve your body composition through conventional methods. Now let's look at why your old strategies failed, starting with cutting calories. This is what most guys try first. The logic seems simple, eat less to lose fat. But for the skinny fat man, this is the worst possible move. Look at this data. This is a DEXA scan from a skinny fat individual after 12 weeks of aggressive calorie cutting. Yes, he lost 15 pounds on the scale. But look closer. He lost 8 pounds of precious muscle and only 7 pounds of fat. His body fat percentage actually went up. He became a smaller, weaker, and proportionally fatter version of himself. Why? Because a steep calorie deficit is a massive stressor on the body. It spikes cortisol even higher, accelerating muscle breakdown while simultaneously crashing your already low testosterone. You end up burning the very muscle that gives you shape and boosts your metabolism, making it even easier to regain fat later. Okay, so cutting doesn't work. What about the opposite? The classic bulk. You start eating more and lifting heavy to gain muscle. This also backfires, and here's the proof. This DEXA scan shows a skinny fat guy after a 12-week bulk. He gained 15 pounds, great. But the composition is a disaster. He gained only 3 pounds of muscle and a whopping 12 pounds of fat. He just got fatter. The reason is poor nutrient partitioning. Because your hormones are out of whack, high cortisol and low testosterone, your body is primed to store incoming calories as fat, not use them to build muscle. You're just feeding the fat cells. This is why you can't outtrain a bad hormonal environment. You end up feeling bloated, looking softer, and making your skinny fat problem even worse. You've seen the proof. Conventional diet and exercise will not fix this. There's a hormonal problem that needs a hormonal solution. And we have that solution. Go to level 300.nl right now to see how we fix this for our clients every single day. So how do we break the cycle? It's a specific 3-step hormonal correction sequence. This must be done before you even think about a serious diet or training plan. Step 1 is cortisol control. For the first 30 days, your only goal is to lower cortisol. This means managing stress, optimizing your sleep schedule to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, and incorporating specific supplements like ashwagandha and magnesium glycinate before bed. Step 2 is testosterone optimization. This starts on day 31 and runs for the next 30 days. We introduce key micronutrients that are crucial for testosterone production, like zinc, vitamin D3, and boron. We also strategically reintroduce calories and healthy fats to provide the raw materials your body needs. Step 3 is metabolic priming. This happens from day 61 to day 90. Now that your hormones are in a better place, we slowly increase your metabolic rate by gradually adding back calories. This tells your body it's safe, it's not in a state of famine, and can start building muscle and burning fat efficiently. Only after this 90-day hormonal reset are you ready to actually diet or build muscle effectively. What happens if you ignore this? What is the real consequence of sticking to the old methods of just cutting or bulking? Let's be brutally honest. You'll continue to spin your wheels, getting more and more frustrated. If you keep cutting, you will continue to lose muscle, tank your metabolism, and become skinny fatter. You'll look worse, feel weaker, and your long-term health will decline. If you keep trying to bulk, you'll just get fatter, worsening your insulin sensitivity and digging your hormonal hole even deeper. You'll spend another year, maybe another 5 years, looking in the mirror with the same disappointment, feeling tired, unmotivated, and confused. This isn't just about looks. This hormonal profile is linked to a higher risk of chronic diseases down the line. You are on a path that leads to more frustration and worsening health. Listen to me. You are at a crossroads right now. You can click away from this video and go back to the same failed strategies, expecting a different result. You can keep trying to force a square peg into a round hole, getting more frustrated and more out of shape every single month. Or you can make a decision today to stop guessing and start fixing the root cause of the problem. The skinny fat hormonal trap is real, and you've seen the data. Cutting fails. Bulking fails. The only way out is to correct your hormones first. This is not something you can figure out on your own with random tips from the internet. You need a systematic, proven protocol. We have spent years perfecting this system with thousands of men just like you. I'm not asking you to just try harder. I'm telling you to try smarter. Go to level 300.nl right now. Don't wait. Don't think about it. Every day you wait, you're allowing your hormones to dig you into a deeper hole. Go to the site, fill out the application, and let's see if you're a fit for the program. This is your chance to finally break the cycle and build the body you've always wanted. The link is level 300.nl. Click it now. This is the only way you solve this problem for good. Don't waste another day being skinny fat. Take action.